We're here at Marriott's Heritage Club in Harbour Town on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. We're staying in a 2-bedroom villa, so if you're planning a trip here, you might want to stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour of our room right after this. All right, so when we come into the villa here, we do have a little table there. You can maybe put your keys on it. I got the map and the room key sitting on it. Mirror there. Kitchen, living room, and dining room is down there, but we're actually gonna head in here and take a look at the guest bedroom and guest bath first. Looks like here, there might be just a small closet. So just a place to store some stuff. Really nothing else in there at all. No hangers even. So a small closet there. And then in here, we do have the bathroom. So this is the guest bath. It does have just a single vanity, but there's 2 faucets there. So a really big sink, 2 faucets. Of course, you have your towels hanging up here on the wall. That door there goes into the guest bedroom. We'll walk through that here in just a moment. And you kind of have a water closet, but not really a water closet because you have your toilet in here. And there's also a bathtub with a shower. So you have your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on the wall. So now let's go back out here. We'll head through this doorway and we'll take a look at the guest bedroom. So you do have a window there out to the breezeway. So you might want to close those curtains for some privacy. 2 queen beds here, and it looks kind of like brick on the wall, but that's just wallpaper. So you do have a nightstand in the middle. There is exposed USB and power. There is also a ceiling fan in here. So nice to have a ceiling fan in these units. And then down here at the end of the bed, there is a television, kind of on top, just a little kind of table there. Small bench over here. And then over here, they do have just a small kind of dresser. Really kind of surprised. There's really not a whole lot of storage here in this guest bedroom, just that little dresser. But we do have around the corner here, a small closet. This one does have some hangers, so just a place to maybe store your luggage, hang some stuff up. Then kind of over here, just a full-length mirror if you need one. So that's the guest bedroom. Let's head out here. We'll take a look at the kitchen, living room, and dining room next. You do have your air conditioning and controls here. It was turned up really, really hot when we came in, so we had to actually turn the heat off. Yeah, here is the kitchen. Pretty good sized kitchen. All white cabinets, looks really nice. The only thing I noticed here is they actually have white appliances where most Marriott units tend to have stainless steel, but do have everything you need. You have your toaster, you have a knife block, you have some cooking utensils, you have some kitchen supplies. There's the coffee maker. Let's take a look in the fridge here. So yeah, good sized fridge. It does kind of have that bottom drawer freezer, and it is making ice, so that's a plus for us. So we'll close that up. And we'll just take a quick look in here as we're passing by. This is where you're gonna find stacked washer and dryer, sweeper. You have your broom. I think there's probably a dustpan in here, and then iron and ironing board. Now here also in the kitchen, they do have some dish towels, and there is some grilling utensils. So I'm sure there's some grills outside. We'll be able to show you a full resort tour as well. Be a link to that here towards the end of the video. You have your sink. Now let's take a look at what's in these cabinets and the drawers. Yeah, so in here you have your dinnerware and some glassware in here. So wine glasses, some other glasses, bowls, plates, mugs. Then up here, we do have just looks like a kettle. Yeah, that's all that's in there. In here, some more glassware, so it's actually kind of split between these 2 cabinets. Looks like for 8 people in total. Really also do kind of like that Subway style backsplash that they have here. And it looks like they have marble countertops. And under these countertops, let's take a look in these drawers. I think most of these ones over here are empty. That one actually does have cutting board, trivet, so you can sit your hot pots on that if necessary. I believe these ones are also empty. But under here, we do have a set of pots and pans, so kind of standard for most Marriott timeshare units. Underneath the oven, you do have a broiler pan and a baking sheet. Over here, this looks like, well, there's some baking dishes, serving dishes. You have some measuring cups, some bowls, and it looks like a big salad bowl back there. We will also point out the dishwasher. And in this here, we do have a full set of utensils. So all the silverware, utensils, cutlery that you might need. And under here, we have a pitcher and some storage containers as well as a colander. Under the sink here, you have some trash bags, trash, and some additional paper towels. And then in these drawers, just where you'll find additional cooking utensils. So pretty much everything you need, everything you'd want to cook up some meals while you're here at Marriott's Heritage Club. Now let's see if there's anything in here. We have some placemats and some coasters, some additional kind of serving dishes. And what's over here? Looks like a blender. Now coming out of the kitchen, we're going to check out the dining room and living room. So you have a dining room here that will seat up to 6 people. But over here, they also have 4 additional kind of stools up against the kitchen counter bar area. So you could technically seat potentially 10 people in this unit. Some nice lighting in here in the dining room as well. and some kind of decent views that kind of look out over the pool area here at this property. And then behind me we do have the living room, so big flat screen television up there on the wall, then kind of a corner sectional over here. So actually it's set up kind of nice. You can sit there in the corner sectional, watch some TV. There's an end table over there with some exposed USB and power as well. And usually I'd save the patio to last, but unfortunately these patios are currently closed because they're doing some work on the railings. Looks like they're scraping those all down, doing some work on the patios. All I see out there though is 4 chairs and a patio table. So if they have these open when you're here, you can certainly enjoy the patio. Heading now into the master bedroom, we have a couple of closets. This one here actually has some additional bedding. Then over here, some more storage and the in-room safe. And then in here we do have the master bath, and over here kind of the bedroom, king-size bed. You do have big flat screen television up on top of a wall above a dresser. You have your pool towels. There's a bench over here, a couple of nightstands with exposed USB and power. And then something I noticed over here kind of neat, they do have a desk over here in the corner with a real cool kind of painting of the Harbour Town lighthouse with the golf tournament. And there's also a ceiling fan here in the master bedroom. And then in here we do have the master bath. You do have double vanity, marble countertops, white cabinets, and then in here kind of a separate little room where you'll find the toilet, as well as what appears to be a pretty small shower. There's really not a whole lot to this shower. You have your shower head, you have your pump, conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. Yeah, just a small little shower in here. So that's it, the 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Heritage Club in Harbour Town, Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos. And to see another video from here at Heritage Club, it is going to be a resort tour. So check that out right here. Click on that link and watch that next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.